Welcome to American Dream Selling San Antonio. I am Jen Guidry, your host, and today we are at the Boeing Center at Techport, and this place is unbelievable. Today you're going to experience not only just walking around the Techport to see how incredible this place is, but I am speaking at this event also, but it is a plethora of high-level real estate professionals from all over San Antonio getting together to leverage social media. So follow me and let's check this place out together. One of the cool things about this place is their fabulous VIP section. So if you are hosting an event, this is golden. So let's check this out together and see what an amazing view that you have. Within this tech center is a museum called SAMSAT, which stands for San Antonio Museum of Science and Technology. And their vision is unlocking potential for all students, families, and communities with an emphasis of those traditionally underrepresented in STEM. And to give you just an example of how much more advanced San Antonio is than you think, this place is becoming a technology hub. And this museum shows you what we have in store for us. All right, y'all, I'm about to go on, and I am so excited to share my story with all of you.
Guys, without further ado, I'd love to bring out and introduce Miss Jen. Come on. I said that right.
You said it right.
Yes.
Absolutely. Thank you. That was the best ever, thank you. When people see me, they have no idea all of the hardship and difficulties that I had to go through to be here today. But one thing I do have, and what's keeping me afloat, is I have a great work ethic. We have a lot of videos that have gone viral. This is just a snippet. I have 10, 15 million views on some of my stuff. I'm Jen Guidry, and God bless you all. Thank you for having me. Thank you. Go and do it again. And that is a wrap. I hope you've enjoyed our social media bootcamp. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Jen Guidry with American Dream Television. Have an awesome day.